Premium Water's core values are serving the customer and giving them value. One of the things we immediately noticed with Hartness is that they had kind of the same thing. They were packaging solutions. Once we decided to go to a 900 bottle a minute line, and once we decided to go to offset packaging, we had to go to robotic palletizers to get the speed that we wanted. And then we had to go to Dynex-centric design. The great thing and part of the partnership that we formed with Hartness is that they walked us through that whole process.
Well, our goal for Dynex is to not only improve the customer's overall line efficiency, but it's also to give the customer flexibility in the construction of his packaging line.
By using Dynex technology and getting all of that accumulation in such a small footprint, you're allowed to get the machine centers closer together. That reduces the number of operators and allows an operator to work on more than one piece of equipment.
My operators are not concerned with the conveyors. They're concerned with the machine centers, the packer, the labeler, the blow fill block. And so they can really, within a 30, 45 feet circumference, be where the action is. It really has made their time much more efficient, and they become operators instead of troubleshooters.
Really, the Dynex is doing two things. It's providing accumulation, and that is if you have a downstream process that stops and an upstream process that's still running, the Dynex is absorbing those bottles and allowing the upstream process to continue to run. It's the nature of Dynex to receive bottles in a pressureless configuration. It accumulates them with no pressure, and it discharges them with no pressure. That is unique in this industry.
Premium Waters has done things to reduce the amount of plastic in our bottles, in our caps. We're using a Dynex with a pressureless system in order to make sure we're able to maneuver those bottles without tipping them over, without causing any issues whatsoever.
It really has allowed us to train our people on the importance of accumulation, the importance of overspeed, and our people have become very Dynex oriented in how we run the line. This plant is producing 30 to 40% more product at the same filler speed than what we were getting in some of our other installations. And we're able to do it with less raw materials, we're able to do it with 40% less energy costs, and we're able to do it with about 1 to 2 less people.
The project was so successful that we actually purchased a sister line, we call it, an identical system to our 900 bottle per minute line at our Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin facility. Premium Waters and Hartness have had a great relationship. We believe they are going to be here for the long haul.